In AWS Academy Cloud Foundation course, click on the module. Then scroll down and find out the Sandbox environment. Click on Sandbox environment and then click on Start Lab. When you click on Start Lab, it will prepare a laboratory environment and the lab status will be ready. Then you can close this window and then you click on AWS. Now it will open a new window where you will found your console home. Here so many details will be available regarding the console home. Here you can create or change the location, or here you can search the any particular service. We will click or write EC2. Now click on it. Here also you will find the instances. Here is the one option to launch the instances, or we can click on instances to check if there is any instance running. So here again we will click on launch instance, and then here we will give our name in tag. So give name. Here we will select the operating system. So here we are working for the Windows. So click on Windows operating system. Now there is no other changes need to do. You just scroll down and then here you just read the detail. Now here in the key pair section, you create a new key pair. So click on the option create new key pair, and here we will generate the RSA and .pem format. The other format are also available, but we will follow this .pem format. So it will create a key pair. So now this is a key pair. Now there is a network setting. No need to change any network setting. Keep it as it is. Now scroll down. You can read the details. Here it is a launch instance. So now click on launch instance and it will create your Windows instance. So successfully your instance is created. Now you click on the instance section. So it will show you the instance detail. So here you will find the instance. So here you can check the status also. Right now it is in the initializing status. So we need to wait to complete all check processes. Meanwhile, you can see the other detail. The public IPv4 address is given, and now you can also see that all check processes has been done. So now we will connect it. So select the instance, click on the connect option. Now here in connect option, you just click on RDP client. Now here under the RDP client, you will find the option download remote desktop file. So you just click and download it, and you need to get the password. So where to add the password? So first you go to the download section where you have just downloaded the remote desktop file. Just open the remote desktop file and it will open your remote desktop file. Click on connect. Now here they will ask the password. So now using that PEM file which you have generated previously, with the help of that you can get the password. So now click on get password. You upload that PEM key which is available in download folder, which is previously downloaded. So you click on upload private key file. You click the .pem file over there, and here in last you will find one option to get the password, decrypt password. Now you can see your password is ready. So now copy this password and paste that password into the remote desktop password. So here you paste the password, click on OK. So now it will ask for the authentication. You click on yes. So now it is connecting to the instance. So here you can see that our Windows server, our Windows instance is ready. So it will look like your computer. You can go to the setting, you can have the terminal, you can check the memory, you can find the all facilities. Here you can see the memory. You can see the detail of IP address which is assigned. So now that's all. You can turn off from the shutdown option, and then you can delete your instance. So you go to the instance again, select it, and then you go to the instance state and you terminate, delete the instance. click on the terminate instance. So your instance will be deleted. So this is how you can create a Windows instance and you can delete the Windows instance.